Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Millview Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Eagles. This is my third time coming to their school, and another beautiful day outside and inside the cafeteria where we had 3 student assemblies for all the grades, K through 6, but also parent session as well in the evening for the families. The topic during the day was all about positivity, and the sub-theme, be your best self. So this positivity theme is all about keeping a positive attitude everywhere in your life and with everyone in your life, right? But also knowing that on days like today when the sun is shining, it's very easy to be positive. On other times when it's kind of cloudy, rainy, not the best weather, it's a lot easier to be negative, right? And this is the same thing in our heart. You know, when we have storms in our life that happen, problems, issues, it's sometimes not that simple to just, always maintain a positive outlook, right? And so that's why I wear this shirt for this particular assembly. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're looking down or feeling sad, it says, keep your head up. Reminder to always think positive no matter what. And there's time in my life where I was going through a lot, issues with my family, my friends, my job, my health. And that particular year was definitely down quite a bit. Head was down quite a bit. So it was a great reminder for me to really focus on what I want more of, right? Which is something positive, right? Whatever we tell our brain and our heart it's going to believe. We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. And that's part of doing our best, right? But also always knowing the person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. So hopefully we're telling ourselves something positive, right? But also knowing that true excellence is not about being the best, it's just doing your best, right? You don't always have to get first place. You don't always have to win the race. You don't always have to get 100%. Just try your hardest, right? You have the effort. Not always the outcome, but if you give your greatest effort, then you're probably going to get the results that you want, right? Talking about planting those positive thoughts, those seeds inside our mind and our heart. That's what this is all about. And the students really responded to that, knowing that part of doing our best is also encouraging others and believing in ourselves, right? And that starts with this concept that I bring up in every program that I ever do. It's so important. But the fact that all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. Trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We all have at least one on each hand. That M stands for miracle. And Millview, upside down, it stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that and believe it, now we can go and be those leaders for this world and be the light to other people's hearts as well. So that tied into the family session, which was on leadership. The under sub-theme would be passion to purpose, right? So already at a young age, getting the wheels turning, thinking about what it is that we're good at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities, and using those to go help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? Our passion starts in our heart. But to know that even as young people, we have that opportunity to lift others up or to tear them down, but hopefully we choose to build up, right? And that we do things for the right reasons, knowing that we're not always going to get a trophy for what we do. We're not always going to get a big award with our name on the wall. We're just doing it because it's heavy on the heart, and deep down we know it is the right thing and the right path to take. And that means we have to have the courage to stand up for what we believe in, to stand up for others, like the bowling ball concept that we talk about, being someone that has morals and values and that strong foundation. And when the peer pressure comes along to do something negative, that we're still going to choose to do the right thing, right? And whether someone's watching or not, right? Whether there's an adult around and seeing what we're doing every day, all day, probably not the case, but you still know the difference between right and wrong. And we hopefully choose to do the thing that's going to have people want to remember us as well. We focused on legacy, being like someone's helping hands, and knowing that every action we make and take, no matter how small, can make a difference. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another great day here at Millview. Can't wait to come back in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.